Hey everybody, I want to give you a little bit of inspiration today. I want you to photograph people and animals. This could be people with their animals, or this could be people literally in a zoo or something like that standing next to animals. But I want you to go ahead and think about breaking this down. You can photograph the people and the animals separately, but I want you to go ahead and think about your perspectives, your framing, your light, things like that as you go about this assignment today. Now, when you do this, post up your best images on socials. Hashtag Share Picture Magazine as always. I love seeing what you do as you work and you grow. And when you get done, don't forget to like and subscribe on all my channels on there as well so that you can go ahead and get some further inspiration for your photography. As a teacher, I love seeing you grow and see what you create along the way. And don't forget when you do this, go out there and give people the gift of photographs. If you go to a zoo, usually you can use this for personal use as well, but don't use that for professional use because sometimes they have an issue with that. But anyways, thanks so much. Have a great day.